Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zarith Soffea with ZAINUDDIN, and I'll be presenting you about cloud computing. According to Wikipedia, cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. The term is generally used to describe how the data center is available to many users over the internet. In simple definition, cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. Cloud computing involving tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Cloud computing service provide users with series of functions including email, storage, backup, and data retrieval, creating and testing apps, analyzing data, audio and video streaming, and delivering software on demand. The first one is the public cloud. The public cloud allowing systems and services to be easily accessible to general public. Example, public cloud providers like Microsoft and Google owns and operate the infrastructure and offer access over internet. However, public cloud may be less secure because of its openness, since the limited configuration, security protections, and availability variances. Second is private cloud. The private cloud allowing systems and services to be accessible within an organization. They allowing business to host applications in the cloud while addressing concerns regarding data security and control. The example of private cloud are like Dell, Oracle, Cisco, and NetApp. The third cloud is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination two or more of public, private, and community cloud. And in hybrid cloud, you can leverage third party. The example of hybrid cloud is like Fujitsu, CenturyLink, Rackspace, Google, and Amazon. The first advantage of using cloud computing is easy to learn and understand. Since people are quite used to cloud applications like Gmail and Docs, so anything related to the same is more likely to be understood by the other users. Next is accessibility. The user can access the data everywhere, anytime, since internet cloud infrastructure maximize enterprise productivity and efficiency. This also allowing for easy collaboration and sharing amongst users in multiple locations. The third advantage of cloud computing is there is not hardware required. A physical storage is not longer needed since everything are hosted in the cloud. The first one is security. When using a cloud computing service, you are essentially handing over your data to a third party. The fact that the entity, as well as the other users from all over the world, are accessing the same servers can cause a security issue. Companies handling confidential information may be particularly concerned about using cloud computing, as the data could be possibly harmed by virus and other malware. So some servers like Google come with customizable spam filtering and email encryption. The second one is the internet connection. The internet is the only way for the users to do the cloud computing. So when there is no internet connection in the place, or the internet part to the cloud provider is in trouble, automatically the access to your cloud computing machine will be disconnected. The cloud computing also will not working well if the connection is slow. So when the server is down or offline, the user will be harmed because of the poor server quality. The third one is the features might be limited. Many web-based applications are not full feature as they are desktop-based. For example, the user can do a lot more with Microsoft PowerPoint than with Google Presentations web-based offering. In conclusion, Cloud computing is recently new technological development that has the potential to have a great impact on the world. Cloud is just all good, but they also have the shortage. However, never be afraid to use cloud computing. What the user need to note is that there is no single safe and good system. If there is a safe and good system, then there is no need for a system update and bug fixes.